Hi everyone. Okay, so I would like to just tell you that Props and Things is now selling the Young Living products. So Young Living is a range of essential oils. They're 100% pure, and then they have a selection of diffusers. So I've decided to get my studio a diffuser, and especially I decided to get this because of the lavender oil. But I want to show you what I got in my starter kit. Your diffuser arrives in this gorgeous box, and you receive a little manual for it. It's the Dewdrop Diffuser, and it explains exactly how it works. But let me also just show you. So I'm just going to pop it on. So what we've done is it shows you the level of water, and we've added the lavender. So I've got a little newborn coming in today, so I want the lavender as a soothing and calming effect. So once, twice will give me 10 hours. You can see it's diffusing. So once will give you 4 to 5 hours. So it's a steadier stream. I've decided on medium. To press it twice for medium, that gives you 8 hours, and then intermittent is 1 minute on, 1 minute off, so it gives you 10 hours. And then you can change the light to any color you like. This is my favorite, the flickering candle. This is how your oils arrive. It has a little box that it comes with the packaging. And then this is the gorgeous box. So I went with the starter kit, which gives you the Dewdrop diffuser and the 10 oils, and I received one as a gift. So there's Thieves, Frankincense, Orange, Lemon, Citronella, Eucalyptus, Peppermint, Valor, Lavender, and Purification. So I really love the lavender. But in your little book, it explains to you what your little the oils do. And we've added some of these onto the prop shop, and we will be adding some more, and with the descriptions as well, so that when you want to go and purchase some, then you can read up about it. So I just wanted to share that with you. Exciting!